Right, a little bit more of the carnage. We've got the outer ring all level, and the red line just represents the rough outer diameter of the bearing, so I'll get to the red line and then make it comfortable, and then I've got to do the outer diameter. Oh, that's a messy old job, isn't it? Stand well back when it's running, so it's getting all that stuff flicking everywhere at me. I did turn it upside down and run it backwards, but it didn't really make a massive amount of difference. Right, I think I'll take one more small pass and then I'll leave it there for the inside. And I'll probably do the outside, figure out what I'm going to do for the, I'll work on the bell part and sort the inside of that out so I know what diameter the outside's got to be. So, right. That'll do for now, I think. Take the sharp edge off there. Okay. I'll leave it at that for now. Right, I'll clear up this mess. See you later. Cheers for now. Alright, hello again. Now then, before I put this on the mill, to mill this inside out, due to the way the concrete, I assume the way the arms inside the concrete mixer throw the concrete back to the centre, has consequently worn these sides out. So because I need to take about 2 mil off there, the inside, that will leave nothing on the outside. So what I'll do is I'll run some beads of weld on the outsides of there and give it some strength. So, but because it's cast iron, there's a tendency of shattering when you try and do things like that. I'll preheat it with my little acetylene kit, which has served me very well. So I'll bring you down a bit. Oh, a bit of water coming out of that already. Right, we'll run a few beads on it just to typical cast iron. Wonder whether I should try brazing it rather than welding it. Oh well. I can only work with what I've got, so that'll have to do. I can only do the impossible. Miracles take a little bit longer. I'm running out of something. some crap in there. Something's better than nothing at all. Right, see you in a bit. Right, hello again. Right, just set it up in the mill. Just centralised it. Just trying to figure out what cutter to use. This is a brazed insert one, so we'll see how that gets on. So much rust in there. Cutter's not doing too bad. Okay. Right, we'll carry on with that. Bring you back later. Cheers for now. Right, hello again. Right, I've brought that down to size. I don't really want to go any smaller, the outside diameter, so that leaves enough meat in there for a few more years of use. It's a good job I did that bit of welding to help that. So anyway, we've got about 80. I can't remember what it was now. 86 mil, so, and the bearings are 80, so we've got a good 3 mil all the way around to put the brass bushing in, to fix that in. a hell of a lot better than it was, because that was just flopping around anyway. So there you go. So we're just bringing the, I took the brass insert that I'm going to put to the internal diameter to 79, because I want to, I'll leave that until the bearing comes to make sure there's no difference in size. There shouldn't be, I mean there never is with bearings, they're what they are, they are. So I'm just bringing this down to, let me tell you if I can get a better angle. Bring this down to the better dimension. So I shan't show you at all, it's pretty boring, but there was already a few drill holes in this. So I'm running the cutter upside down and running the lathe backwards, so it throws the chips on the floor rather than up in your face. So anyway, I'll just show you a few runs of this. And I'm feeding out with the bloody focus. Probably trying to focus on all the chips flying off. Yeah, there you go, look. Concentrate. Right, I'll show you that when it's done. See you in a bit. Right, okay, there's the ring. That will press fit in there. I'll heat this up and then press that in there. I'm not going to do it yet because I've got to cut the inside for the bearing that's on its way. I want to be precise with that. I'm not going to go by that one because that's old and rusty and worn off. Hello Jess, what's the matter? Eh? What? Can you hear a dog? So anyway, that'll that can wait now till the bearings arrive. Perfect. What I can do now is I'll make a cap that's got to go back on there because the original one was whatever it was all broken, which is how the stuff got in there in the first place. So I'll make a plate and just round off the edges to do for that to go on. So, and I'll put that on probably after all the bearings are in and everything, because that won't go down. Now it's too big to go up inside there now. Yeah. So that's definitely got to be done afterwards. So right, so I can make the plate, and then I'll check the motor, make sure the engine's okay, and that'll do for now. So until the bearings come, I can't do an awful lot more. So I'll see you soon. Cheers for now. Right, this is the last bit before well, I've got to wait for the bearings to come. Just cut a bit of 1/2 inch steel plate I've got, roughly cut it with a thing. Just compression driving it, bit of brass tube, bit of aluminium tube, and just driving it between the two just to round it off. So right, that'll take a while. Just thought you might like to see how I do that. Cheers for now.